I hope you're ready, because now comes the exciting part. Brewing your first cup of coffee. And while we do that, I'll walk you through the key factors that affect espresso quality. Even if you're not grinding your own beans, the freshness and grind size of the coffee you use still make a big difference. Let's start with freshness. When buying pre-ground coffee, always check the roast date on the packaging. For best results, choose coffee that was roasted within the past 7 to 21 days and packaged in a vacuum-sealed or nitrogen-flushed bag to preserve its aroma and flavor. Once opened, store your coffee in an airtight container away from heat, light, and moisture, and try to use it within 1 to 2 weeks for optimal flavor. Now, about grind size. Espresso requires a fine grind, similar to the texture of table salt or slightly finer. If your coffee is ground too coarse, the water will flow through too quickly, and the espresso will taste watery or sour. If it's too fine, the flow will be too slow or blocked, resulting in bitterness or even machine overpressure. Look for pre-ground coffee labeled espresso grind to ensure it works well with your 5418 Pro machine.